So a warm welcome to everyone on the second day of the workshop. Yes, am I audible to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who is not able to am I audible? Umesh sir. Okay, the first thing.
Yes, yes, audible.
Yes, great. Nar Bahadur sir, am I audible? सुनाई दे रहा है मेरी आवाज? ठीक है. Okay, so very first thing, how many of you are able to complete the homework? Yeah, any doubt you have? Yes, Akash, any questions regarding the homework?
No, no, sir.
So you were able to complete it fully?
No, halfly done.
Halfly done. But did you check it? कि आपको कर सकते हैं या कोई ऐसा टॉपिक था जो आपको समझ नहीं आया?
नहीं सर, समझ में आ रहा है सर.
समझ सारा आ गया, कोई इशू नहीं है, पढ़ा सकते हैं?
नहीं. हाँ जी जरूर.
तो इस जो मकसद था हमारा वर्कशॉप का कि हम ट्रेनिंग दे पाए आगे, वो पूरा हो सकता है इसका मतलब?
हाँ जी.
ट्रेनिंग दे पाओगे?
जरूर हाँ. यस सर.
देखिए अल्टीमेटली इस क्लास का बेनिफिट ही तब है अगर आप फर्दर ट्रेनिंग दे सके, राइट? बिकॉज आउटपुट ऑलवेज मैटर्स, राइट? अगर हम आगे ट्रेनिंग नहीं दे सकते तो कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है. सो नॉट टू वरी. सो वेलकम बैक टू द मैजिक वर्ल्ड ऑफ वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स. So by now you are clear it is a magic, right?
Yes.
Yeah, anyone has still doubt over it? Huh?
No,
doubt?
sir.
It is magic, right? Okay. So coming to the second day, now today, so first thing again, yes, heartful gratitude to all of you for joining me again. And the second thing, again, pat yourself, applaud yourself that you have taken the second step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Now, this will be a step. See, yesterday we started with the very basics, where we can start with teaching anyone, class 3rd, class 4th, you can start with them in class 1. But now what we'll be learning today, they are the contents which are for generally for class 8th, 9th. That is, we'll be learning scaling of the numbers, we'll be learning cubing of the numbers. Apart from it, the target, what we are looking for is how to start our classes. So this would be our target for the today's session, right? Okay. So the very first thing, what are the opportunities? Now, why these opportunities are there? Because of the national education policy. Our government has announced that as per NEP 2020, this would be added into the course curriculum. Now, if you check Rajasthan board, they started this very early, and it is a part of their curriculum. You can see the books, class 3rd to class 9. They have this in their school curriculum. Haryana, I'm already training. I have a tie-up with them. The government letter is available on my page also. Government of Gujarat, they announced a month back that we are launching this, we are starting this. So slowly and steadily, every government is implementing the same into their course curriculum. And just think over it. If Government of India, or if this is implemented in our schools, how many schools do we have in one village? How many?
Approx 10 to 12 in
10
per
to 12
village.
in one village, and then think about a city, then think about a town, and then think about, so because schools are the most important vital factor of our education. So everywhere we have schools, and if so, number of students available are so much. So if schools start this new subject, how many trainers, how many teachers would be required? Just think of that. So the opportunity is knocking your doors. In fact, we all are late because this education policy was launched for 2020, as it's already 2022, but that was due to COVID. This has been delayed. So the coming year, from April onwards, this would be implemented. This would be starting, and then we all need to have more and more trainers. So what you can do is you can start with Vedic mathematics classes right from home. Do you think, is it really difficult to teach? Was the
No.
concept yesterday what we did? See, you learned within half an hour or 1 hour. If you try those concepts for 2 days, you'll be able to teach those concepts to the little ones. And if you just talk to the kids, everybody has this issue, tables. Everybody finds difficulty in remembering the tables. So let us start from that topic only. Let us start from that problem only, right? So the first opportunity is you can start with maths classes right from your home. For this, you need not to have any investment also. Just have one table, just have one drawing room, and you can start with. Yes, if you're looking for investment, then you can start with a training institution at the mid of the city, any place where you find, because you have number of clients visiting. One is you'll be getting the students from class 9 or class 3rd to 9. Then you have people who are looking for entrance examinations. And you might have seen this is the fastest growing business. Competitive examinations, that is the fastest growing. So there also no competition is possible without Vedic mathematics. So the best option is that, right? People who think, no, I cannot call others to my house is small, or I cannot have it in my place because of some reasons. So they can go for home tuitions. Now this is a very new trend. People call for home tuitions also, and they pay you very good amount, right? And these were the self opportunities which you can do. Apart from this, there are so many jobs there which are coming up. For example, if you talk about me, now I have to train so many teachers in Nepal. So I do need trainers. I'm training Haryana government teachers, so I need trainers in Haryana. I'm training SSRVM schools teachers, so I need trainers. So everywhere, if a person like me, one person can have offer job opportunities to 100 people. So think how many schools, how many colleges, how many institutions they need, right? And if you are already running some educational institution, so this could be a key factor. This could be an additional component in your existing profession, right? So are you clear about it? Any doubts, any questions you have? Yes, Mr. Inderjeet, you joined late.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Josna. Late ho gaye?
Yeah, sorry.
No issues.
Sir, I have one doubt. Actually, yesterday I saw that whole video and I tried to do all sums. But in that, where we are taking 5 times 1, and the sum was 2732.
Okay.
We add a 0 in front of to label them 5 digit.
Okay.
But after that, once please you do that. Means it was doubtful to me.
Let the question be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times 1. This is what you are asking?
2732, sir.
Okay, let me change it. That's one and the same thing. 2732 into
five ones.
Correct. Now we have
Yes,
5
sir.
ones. So that means maximum possibility of making a combination would be 5 digits, but I don't have 5 digits. So very
Yes.
first thing is we should get 5 digits. So this is the first thing. Up till here, any
Yes, sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Now
Hmm.
the first thing is first combination would be 0.
0.
Second would be 0 plus 2.
0, 2.
Third
Yes,
would
sir.
be 0 plus 2 plus 7. Fourth would be 0 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3. And the last
Yes, sir.
would be 0 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. Now we have reached the maximum limit. So after that, what do? We start moving towards the right hand side. So we'll skip 0. It will come 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. Then 7 plus 3 plus 2. Then 3 plus 2 and then last 2. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this will give me now 0 will later on we can remove that. 2. Here 9.
8, 9.
9. Here 12.
Hmm.
Here now 2 more 14. Again this is 14. Then 12. Then 5. Then 2. Got it? Up till here, any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Now,
No,
let's
sir.
come to the last step. So 2 as it is, I'll go from other side. 5 as it is. 2 I keep here. 1 I move further. Again 5. Again
5,
move further. 5.
5,
Again 3. Again
3,
it is 9. So 10. 0.
10, 0, 3.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Anyone else who has any doubt in any question? Akash, Sudha, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Kanchan, Indrajit, Sahani. Yes, Mr. Indrajit, any doubt you have? Okay. So, if you are facing difficulty in the audio to speak, you can chat also. नर बहादुर सर, आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे वो शायद.
देखिए, मेरी तरफ से नहीं है प्रॉब्लम.
नहीं, उनके साइड से वो अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे.
हाँ, इसका मतलब या तो आपको रीस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. कल भी किसी की प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी. एक्चुअली नेपाल में थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट की भी प्रॉब्लम है. ओके. So I'll just do one more question of 5 digits just to have all your doubts cleared. Yes, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 5 times 1. So now what would be the first step? Yes, Jyotsna? क्या डिस्टर्बेंस है आपके वहां? नर बहादुर साहब, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस है, आप म्यूट कर लीजिए.
जी हाँ,
आपके वहां डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत है, बैकग्राउंड में बहुत आवाज है पीछे से.
पीछे से बहुत आवाज. पीछे से बहुत आवाज है वरना
कोई बात अभी कर कोई क्वेश्चन आपका तो कल नहीं थे ये कल का टॉपिक अभी आ रहा है चल रहा है so this is the last step last question we are just repeating so yes Josna how will you write Sudha so first would be 3 7 12 18 and 25 then 22 then 18 then 13 then 7 got it so this is how you will do any doubt any questions you have this was regarding yesterday's class okay so coming to the further so the other homework was to check whether with the Facebook account are you able to have a Facebook page or an Instagram anyone okay
I have a YouTube channel and Facebook page. Actually, I have uninstalled all the social networking site because of some personal issue. And yesterday night, I have downloaded it again and will create a page.
Great. So let's listen to them and you'll find this Sunday we are all getting bored. Now let me tell you about him. He is Mr. Sayyid Hussain from Nigeria. Now he's a mathematics teacher and he used to teach mathematics at his school level. But now after getting the training of Vedic mathematics, if you see the date, this is from last March 2021. So last year I trained him and now I told you yesterday also, frankly telling he is not getting something extra as a salary. But what he is getting extra is the love, the affection, and the respect. Because when you'll be teaching some students something extra, when you will be giving them something extra, definitely people will start coming to you. I won't say money will start flowing on the first day, but the respect, love, that would be flowing for the first second, right? So it's not every time we look for, yes, I should get money also only. But if you are into some profession, if you have added something extra, if you are adding something valuable to your customers, so here the customers in the school are your students. So if you are giving them something good, something important, something extra, definitely they will regard that. Correct? So that is his story. Now, how many of, I asked you this question, Quora. How many of you know about Quora? Yes, Jyotsna, Akash, Quora ke baare.
Yes, sir. I know Quora, and in that each and every solution you get.
Yes, so that is basically a place where you get your problems resolved. So did you resolve somebody's problems?
No, sir.
So
Actually, my elder son is doing BTech first year. He is used to, means very much he is using that.
yes, so see that is what, and if you will also start giving the solutions, people will start following you also. So it
Yes,
depends.
sir.
You have to create that position for yourself. See, nobody will come and give it to you. You have to create it, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is the best place where we can start our this, right? So if you check in Quora regarding Vedic mathematics, I am the most viewed writer in the world. And that position I'm holding from last 1.5 years. Right. So
Sir, first time in my life, actually I wanted to be an engineer, but because of maths only, I am a teacher now. I'm very happy in a teaching field, no issue. But math subject was means
see, I told
very
you that.
scary, sir.
Yes, that's what I told you
Same here.
yesterday.
I am
It
so
was
scared
considered
of
as a
math.
scary. Right. 10th में marks कम आए मैथ्स में तो हमने BA BCom या मेडिकल ले लिया. Correct?
Exactly, sir.
So that was the situation. And why maths में कम number आने? Starting से just remember that days, the initial days. What was the first stress? The first stress was tables, then your subtraction, and then everything. Because this is the basic thing. You'll have to calculate everywhere. That multiplication will come everywhere. Subtraction will come everywhere. So you have to. So think if at that time you would have gone through this Vedic mathematics, 99%, I'll say nobody would go for changing the subject. See, if you are interested in BA, one should go for it. But if just because you're not able to get good marks in mathematics, you change the career, that is not good. Right. Okay. So this is one thing. Now, another, listen to this girl. She's class 9th girl.
The video voice is not audible.
Maybe, okay, I'll tell you. She's Priyadarshini Bora from Assam, a class 9th girl. Again, she studied this subject, and now she's a trainer. And now she is able to teach her juniors, seniors, as well as teachers. So my point was only one thing. If they can do, why not you? If a girl of 9th class can do it, if a teacher from a faraway country who don't have anything related to India, if you saw, he's an foreigner. If they can do, why not we? It is our own education system. It is our own mathematics, our ancient mathematics. And that is the reason why our people, they used to be so intelligent. Aryabhatta and all. So if you remember, we discovered zero. If you remember Shakuntala Devi, Ramanujan, so many great scientists, scholars, mathematicians were there. So why not we can become the same? Only thing is, we need to have that willpower and ignition. Correct? So, felt some motivation or not? Or enjoying the Sunday? Okay, let's start with the exercises. Then you'll start it. So, very first thing, we'll start with finding scares. So, what is scare? Scare is nothing but a number any number multiplied by itself. And it is represented by the number raised to power scare. For example, if you talk about 2 here, it is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 cube, it is 3 into 3, that is 9. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes.
please write down. We'll be using these squares, this table, to find out all the bigger squares. So very first thing, you write down this table. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, 10, 100. So please write down this table and then we'll start. Written?
Yes, sir.
Great. So let's start. Now see. Let's take any 2-digit number other than first 10 digits. Let's say 26. Now, to find a square, I just told you multiply by itself. So that means 26 into 26. So that means what you'll do, you'll write 26, then you'll write 26. So 6, 3 here, 156. Then 0, 2, 1 here, 5. So 6, 7, 6. That means 2 times you did multiplication, and the third time, so multiplication 1 time, multiplication 2 times, and the third time it is addition.
Addition.
There were carryovers also, which are there. Now let's see. So we all do by this method. Are we all aware about this method? Now, how do we do in Vedic mathematics? See, now we just learned squares of first 10 digits. So what is square of 2?
4.
Just a habit to write in 2 digits. 0, 4. What is the square of 6?
36.
So this is your step 1. Now, in the second step, Sudha, there is a background.
Sorry.
No issues. Second step, we'll find 2AB. Now, what does that mean? That means A is your this number, B is your this number, you multiply with 2. Or if this is written, so we just multiply this, and this 2. So that becomes 2, 6, 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Yes? I'll just leave the first digit and I'll write 24 from 10th place and just add it. This is your solution. Another example first. 37. So 0, 9, 49. This is first. 2AB. 3 into 7 is 21. Into 2, it is 42. This is, I leave it. 1, 3, 6, 9. Anyone has any question on this?
So once more, from where we got 40?
49.
2AB. Yeah.
From where? See, first step, you'll write the individual squares. A square, this is B square. Then 2AB. A means first digit, B means
Yeah.
second digit. Okay, I'll do one more. 48. 16, 64, 8 for the 32 into 2, 64. So 1, 3, 0, sorry, 2, 3, 0, 4. Now is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, what is 25 square? Please find out. What happened? So much time. 4, 0, 4, 25. And 5 to the 10, 26, 25. Yes, Akash, Sudha, Nar Bahadur, any doubt you have?
Sir,
Yeah.
I did properly up to 0425. Then I have to add that 20 in that, you know?
Why
That last step.
Why 20? Because 2 into 2 into 5.
Yes, sir.
Got it? And this space
Yes,
is
sir.
remaining empty. I'll give you another concept later on. You see, 98 square. Yes, everyone.
Yes. Sir,
Yes. What happened? Yes, Sudha, Akash, Nar Bahadur, Kanchan.
So first step is 8164. Then second is 144. Then it will
64. Second is 144. Correct.
144. Yes.
So if you just add
9604.
1069.
9604. Yes.
Yes. Good. 76. Here.
$84.
Sorry.
7876 answer.
So 7 means 49. That means 36. 42 means 84. So 6, 7, 7, 5.
5776. Yes, sir.
5776.
Correct, sir.
No issues. 39.
The first step is 09, then 81, then second step is 54. Then answer will be 1521.
नर बहादुर जी, आपको समझ आ रहा है? आकाश, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
आप चैट
Correct,
कर
sir.
सकते हो, अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है वहां पे स्पीकर में तो चैट कर लीजिए, चैट में बताते रहिए, या कुछ पूछना है तो यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट. ओके, a simple question. 31 here.
Seven will be answer.
One 181, sir.
961.
Now who gave 181 answer?
Sir, Jyotsna.
Dostna, just think over it. What is square of
9.
9 or 900?
Okay, 31.
So
30.
can 31 be less than 30?
Sir, too much background noises are there.
कोई भी नॉइज नहीं है, आप अपना कंसंट्रेट करो मैम.
Yeah.
I told you one thing. 0901. And then 3 into 1 into 2 is 6. So 961.
961.
Got it? इसीलिए बोला
Yes,
था
sir.
कि हर एक को 2 डिजिट में लिखने की आदत बनाओ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है मैंने 1 का, क्योंकि whenever you'll have 1, 2, 3, then you'll have this trouble. अगर आपका यूनिट प्लेस में 1, 2, 3 होगा तो आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम आएगी आपको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगेन 42. So 16, you don't have to write 16-4. Not possible. This is wrong. It should be 16-0-4. And then 4 into 2 is 8 into 2 is 16. So 1764. Now is it clear, Jyotsna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that was the reason I told initially only, first point only I told, ki be clear, you have to write in 2 steps. That was the only reason I explained you this thing. Because I can understand we always make this silly mistake. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is, any doubt in 11 to 99? Anything you think, finding a square of numbers from 11 to 99? Okay, you try with 99 first. And then tell me.
9801.
Perfect. 9801. That's clear. So now any doubt between 11 to 99? Yes.
No, no, sir.
Okay. So let's move further. See, this was a concept to find the squares of two-digit numbers. But let us move a bit further. If a number is 102. Now, what we learned till now is finding a square of one number, two number, and then moving ahead. Now, Josna just now felt some problem in keeping two digits. If you have problem in that, I'll give you another solution. 31 square, it can also be written like this. A square, 2ab, and b square. Here you need not to bother to write in two digits. Now what is A? 3. B is 1. So what is A square?
9.
2ab,
2 into 3 into 1.
1.
कितना हुआ?
6, 6, 6.
किसने 12 बोला? And B square?
1.
1.
This is your answer. Earlier, we were doing like this. A square 9, two digits में 1 का 0 1, and then removing, keeping this separate and writing 6 here. So both the methods are with you. Either you can write in this manner also. So do one question like this, 97 square on this pattern. So both the ways, see, whatever you find easy, whatever you find comfortable.
Nine 9409.
So 97 means 81. 9 sevens are 63. 63 means 126. And 7 means 49. So I just have to keep 9 here. 4 goes here. This becomes 130. So 0, 13 goes further. That becomes 9409. Is it clear now? Any doubt you have? Yes, Jyotsna, Sudha, Akash, sir.
No, sir. Clear.
First step is easy, sir.
Chalo. See, after this, I'll tell you one method. You will be narrating it like a parrot. 95. One question last.
Nine 9025.
Okay. Yes. Akash, did you get it? Jyotsna?
Yes, sir. There is
Yes, sir.
one more method of the same that we do
I'll
5 by
come-
the 25.
I'll come to that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After
Thank you.
this, I'll come to that.
896.
You should know the reason why it happens. You might not
Yes,
be
sir.
knowing the reason why it happens.
Yes, yes.
So now let's say a 3-digit number 102. So let me say that 10 is A and 2 is B. So what happened? 10 square is 100. Any doubt? 2 into 10 is 20 into 2, 40. Any doubt? And 4 here. So what is this? 4 goes here. My answer becomes 10404. Any question on this? Any doubt? Any question regarding this?
No, no, sir.
So now my question is, can I keep A as 1 and 0, 2 as B? Yes, Josna.
No, sir, because a unit place had only one digit, so we have to take only one digit at unit place.
Okay.
It's
So that
somewhat like that.
In that case, we should have only one digit at tens place also.
No, because tens place contains 2 digit. Every tens place contains 2 digit.
No, this is not clear. Every place, every time you should have one digit. That's not fair enough. Yes, Jyotsna? So, Sudha? ट्राई करो भाई, ट्राई करने में किसी को कुछ आएगा, सोचने की कोशिश करो कि क्या ये हो सकता है. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. Let me show you how. Square of 1 is 1. Square of, okay, let's first write. Square of 02 is 04. And 2 into 02 is 04. Now, just try to understand here. Your unit place is 2-digit number. So at every place value, you'll have 2 digits only. So this is your answer. 10404 is the answer. So Akash, why? See, try to understand. Till now, we learned that yes, every place value should have 1 digit. Agreed. But when we are making the question, when we are making unit place a 2-digit number, so that means at every place value 2 digits will come minimum. Yes, at last it is not coming because you can. Got the point? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Why we did this? You know, when we'll go. Okay, now this is a question. 121. Okay, not 121. Let's say it is 421. You know what happens? If you keep this as A, this as B, you can at least solve it. Because 21 square, you know 441. But if you keep 42 as A and 1 as B, first you need to find out 42 square. Second thing, when you have 4-digit number, then it would be 2 digits. That was a back. So you need to understand if you're keeping a unit place of 2 digits, though normally it is not used. Right. Okay, solve this one first. Very simple one. 107. Try to solve by both the methods. Keeping A as 1 and B as 07, or keeping A as 10
Not getting with second method.
No issues?
If we take,
Let me let everybody try, then I'll tell you. So at first stage, I'll take A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 7, which we usually follow. So A square, 2AB and B square. So what is A square now? 100. 2 into A into A, 2 into 70 is 140 and 49. So B means you are keeping unit place as one digit, so one only will remain. So 94114. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Yes, Akash?
no, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll say A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0.7. Now it is a 2-digit number. So A square means 1. 2AB. So 2 into 1 into 0.7 means 14. And B square, 7 means 49. So you just have to write in 2 digits. This is only your answer. 11449. No shifting required. Because now you can have 2 digits. Got it? Any doubts now? Sudha, Jyotsna, Akash, Indrajit?
No, sir.
Okay. Sorry, Kanchan. Okay. 121. Please solve. Again with both the methods. Why I am saying both that this will give you practice. Let me tell you, 12 square is 144. 21 square is 441. So you can use this.
Sir, 141441.
Okay. Yes, others? Check if you are getting the same answer with both the methods. Yes, others?
So here on A square A square, we have to take 12 digit, means 12 number.
As you can do both the ways. You are free to do. Let me solve. If you're not able to do it, first I'll take A as 12 and B as 1. That means
14641.
yes,
14641.
correct. Very good. 144, 24.
24. 1.
This becomes so simple it was, and we wasted so much of time. Why? See, you have to hurry up now. You have to speed up yourself. You have to pull up
So
yourself.
with one method, I got this answer 14641, and with another method, I got that answer
No, that
14441.
no. Let me tell you that also. 1 to 1. So first 21 into 2 is 42. Now another is 441.
Okay,
Now,
I have done mistake. Instead of 42, I have written 41. That's why. That's my
now,
mistake.
now let me. Here you can have only 2 digits because this is 2 digits. Extra will go here. So this becomes 14641. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Is it means clear, but need to more practice.
What? चलो अभी वर्बल करा देते हैं। एक टफ देता हूं, बहुत टफ देता हूं। 999 को फाउंड करिए, किसी भी एक मेथड से कर लीजिए, and then I'll give you, just see how much time you need to find this, and then I'll tell you within 1 second you can solve this. That is a different method I'll do. Do it. I'll be just back. Done? Have you done? See, point is, Vedic mathematics has so many different methods to solve the same question. It's not that you have to be dependent on one particular question method.
8280398. No, something wrong.
998001.
998001. I'm not nearby that answer only, sir.
No issues. No issues. Not an issue. I'll just tell you how to do this, and then okay. So if I take A as this, B as this, so very first thing is, what is A square? 81.
81.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yeah.
98 square? Which 99 square? We just did. You'll remember this. This is the now. This is when it comes to multiplication 9801. You'll be remembering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Same is very easy, this process, but that goes step by step. When first you will be learning multiplication, then you'll be coming here. Now, what is 2 into 9 into 99? That is
1782.
So that means very first thing is 01 will come here, 98 goes here. So again 0881. So that means 80 will come here, and this 18 goes here. So this will go 99, right? But yes, I agree, to find this, you'll take 2 to 3 minutes, and the total answer will take around 4 minutes. Just remember this question, we'll solve this within 1 second. but with the other method. Right? So any doubt on the topic? See, this was finding pairs of 2-digit numbers, but we extended this trick to 3 also. So any doubt up till here? Yes, but the numbers, if the numbers are near to 100, then it is easily solved. But if they become bigger and bigger, then it becomes difficult.
Sir,
Any
how
doubt?
we got this answer? Please repeat.
Which one, ma'am?
998 this 998001.
Okay, you got up till here or not? 81,179.
Yes, yes, I got up to that there.
Okay, let me go back then. So now, how many digits I have to have at one place? I have taken 99. So 2 digits allowed?
Yes.
So 01 I have kept as it is. 98 I have moved further. So if you move 98 further, what is this? 1880 or not?
Okay, sir.
So 80 again here. This 18 further. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Or if you would have taken A as 99 and this as this, so 98011782 81.
One, zero.
Then at that time, only because this is now single digit. So 1 would have been come here, 8 would have gone here, it would be 1790. So 0 here, 179 here. So that means 0899. So 998001. Both the ways are with you. Any doubt now? Any questions you have, please ask me. Yes. Tell me, any questions? Okay, now we'll do a fast concept, very fast. So this was the first way to find squares of 2-digit numbers. Yes, Mr. Indrajit, are you getting something? You're not answering, you're not responding. Now the second trick is very easy. Finding squares of numbers ending with 5. Now ending with 5, very easy. For example, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, any number. So what you have to do, I'll give you first example, 15. So answer is, for 5 here, 25, write down. And whatever this number is, multiply that number with 1 more. So what comes after 1?
1.
1 ke baad 1.
2.
So what is 1 into 2?
2.
So 15 square is 225. Another example, another 25 square. So 2 into 3 is 2 multiplied by next number 3, 6, and 5 will be always 25. 35. 3 into 4 is 12. And 25. So 12, 25 is your answer. Now is it clear? Yes, Akash, you were talking about this only.
Yes, clear.
That is what I told you. This is,
Sir, one more time. Please.
yeah, I'll give. Don't worry about it.
5 square till the 5 square, it's okay. But which digit we have to add in that one? Means first digit,
one.
sir.
That means you're not understood.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
That's what I'm asking. See, if it is 1, what comes after 1?
2.
So we multiply number with 1 more. Here, what comes after
Okay.
2?
3.
So you multiply 2 and 3. What comes after 3?
4.
So that is, you have to just mentally
5.
multiply. That's all. So
Okay, got it, sir.
4, if
Okay.
it is 45, that means 20, 25 is the answer. If it is 55, that means 30, 25 is the answer. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who has still not understood, please ask again. Then what is 65 here? First, what is
4225.
4225.
4225.
Yes,
4225.
it should not take more than 3 seconds now. 75 here.
5625.
5625.
Very good. Now you got it. 85 here.
7225.
7255. Very good. See, 25 will always come. 95 here.
9025.
Yes, you did this question and you took how much time? 1 minute more than that. Now 9 into 10 is 90. That's all. Is it clear, Josna, Shubha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But why did you
Yes,
answer
sir.
this question then? Okay, what is 105 now? Just now we did. So 10 into 11 is 110. 25. Done. Did we ever thought like this? What is 115? Yesterday we learned 11 into 12 is 132. So 132 into 2, 5. That's all. 13225. Yes, Sudha, Josna, still thinking over it.
No, sir.
Now, so what is 125 here? What is 12 into 13? 156. See, इतना तो याद होना चाहिए आपको. So 15625. Very good, Indrajit. You're doing good. That's what I was asking. If you are not able to talk, you can send your answers on the chat so that we should know that you are doing it or you're finding anything difficult. Then 14 into 145 scale. So that is 14 into 50. What is 14 into 50? Yes, what is 14 into 50? Please check. Yes,
210.
210. So 210, 25. That's all. Is it tough now?
No.
What was 15 square now? Tell me.
225.
But you took more than what is
Yeah, yeah.
what was 25 square? So 3 I solved. Only I am asking again.
625.
Very good.
25.
Right. So this is how you have to do. Now, this is agreed. But why we are getting this? What is the reason behind this? Do you want to know that? Or you just want to cram like this? If you'll ask, I'll... Okay. Now, just now we did a formula a square slash 2ab slash b square. Correct? We did this. This is what we did for finding a square.
Yes.
A general
Yes,
number, ab square. Let's say b is 5. So the number becomes a5 square. Now a can be single digit, a can be double digit. Just now we saw it. So just see, it remains this. If a is 5, it becomes 10b, b square. Sorry, now I have to convert. It becomes 10a 25. Up till here, it's correct. Now, a terms I share with here, it becomes a square plus a balancing line. This 2 comes here, it becomes 2 here, 5 here. Any doubt up till here? Yes, anyone has a doubt? So what is a square plus a? This is a into a plus 1. And 25 we can write like this only, single. So that is what we are doing. Whatever is a number, we are multiplying with one more. If a is 1, we are multiplying with 2. A 1 into 2. If a is 2, we are multiplying a into 3. Now you got it? So this is how this formula has been derived.
The board hide, the bottom side we can't see.
Bottom side you want?
Bottom, what we have written a square plus a and line.
I'll write again, don't worry. First was this. Now let's say, now this is for AB square. Sudha, Jyotsna, you're not responding. That means you're not getting everything is going above the head. Now let's say B is 5. Number ending with 5 means B is 5. So that means A5 square. So what is this? A square. 5 to AB means 10A. 25. So what happens? A term, I take it here, a square plus a. 2 term goes here. If it is 0, it will be 2, 5 here. Now is it clear, Akash? Can I not write a into a plus 1? A square plus a को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं और इसको ऐसे लिख दें. This is what we...
Where does 10 go? 10
10 में 1 ही तो है. 1 का 0 हो जाता है ना. ये 2 जब इधर आ जाएगा तो वो 0 हो जाएगा ना उधर. 0 में ऐड हो जाएगा.
0 में ऐड हो जाएगा 2 तो वो 12 हो गया.
नहीं
तो फिर 1 एक्स्ट्रा.
1 a के साथ भी है. अगर आप अब चलो इसको कर लेते हैं. ये लीजिए a, let's say any number 15. 1 square 2 into 5 is 10 and 25. अब इस 1 को क्या कहोगे आप? This will go here. वो 1 बेसिकली a को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, बट वो 0 नहीं लिख सकते आप डायरेक्टली ना. तो ये 1 1 2 हो गया इधर और इधर 2 आया तो 2 5. नाउ इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Any questions now? So now this was easy. Yes, Sudha, Jyotsna, Indrajit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we come across the third method. See, we are learning different methods because everything cannot be done by one single method. Third is one is known as universal method. And why it is used for bigger numbers. Just now we got trouble because we thought Vedic maths can solve everything mentally. And then I got 999, you were not able to do. So what is the use? Yes, you might have been thinking this way. I'll show you now. First, I'll take a very small number. Initially, I think we take 26. Let's take 26 only. Now I have to find a square of 26. I know one method, 0, 4, 24, 36, 6, 7, 6. I know this method. Now, in this particular method, universal method, this is for all the big numbers where you get the problem of solving, problem of finding when it is not 2-digit, it is 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit also. My aim is to get 0 over here. How can I replace 6 to 0? How can I get 0 instead of 6? Yes, what should I do? Yes, Jyotsna. What should I do to get 0? Thank. Are you there or gone for the kitchen work? Just attendance is compulsory.
No, sir, we are here only.
Just see if you're not getting, speak something. Think tomorrow you'll be taking a class and nobody is responding, then how will you feel?
Very bad.
But you will lose, you are losing your everything. I am there to teach you. You're not listening. If you don't want to accept the knowledge, it's okay. I'll move fast. Yes, how will we get 0? If I subtract 6, will I not get 20? Is this something which I asked, which was a big question, a rocket science? Yes, Akash?
Okay.
Now the point.
I was thinking of 10. 0, 10 minus 6.
Now the point is, whatever you subtract, you have to add also. So this becomes 32. Now why we did this? Because when we multiply this 2, 32 into 2 is 64 and 0 attached to it 640. And you take a square of this, it will give 36. Just add it, it again gives you 676. You might not be excited right now. Now see the thing, 999. You took 5 minutes plus to solve this question. Now see, can I add 1? I get 1000. I subtract 1, I get 998. And if I multiply this 998,000 and 1, I get the answer. For that, you were calculating so big. You were multiplying with, first you were finding square of 9, then you were finding square of 99, then you were finding 2 into 9 into 99. And here, I just multiplied 998 with 000, which is easy now. Did you understand this or not?
Sir, why you took 1 only? -1 and plus.
क्योंकि 0 कैसे आएगा 99 को करेंगे कैसे 0 लाओगे चलो 2 कर देते हैं तो 1001 आ गया उससे मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे किसी भी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो या 100 से करना हो या 1000 से करना हो वो आसान होता है कि नहीं होता क्योंकि 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो और उतने 0 आगे पीछे see try to understand the science behind that try to understand the magic behind that we are making the calculation easy. Now let's go back to the same example. Now it is not compulsory that you have to subtract 6. Can I not do this? Add 4 to it. It becomes 30. If 4 is, see here, first subtraction, then addition. Here first addition, then subtraction. Hardly matters. Now what is 22 into 3? 660. And 4 square, 16. Again 676. See here also 676 here. So Vedic maths gives you number of options. We solve this question by this method. We solve by this, by taking 6, by taking 4. So you have limitless options. The only thing is you have to use your brains to the. Now any doubt? Again, okay, you solve this first. 99. Now what we'll do? Plus 1. That becomes 100. Whatever you have added, you have to subtract also, or whatever you subtract, you add also. So this becomes 98. Very good, Indrajit. So that means 9800 and 1. Now is it clear, Jyotsna, Sudha, Akash, Kanchan?
Yes.
Or still any doubt? Okay, if you don't have any doubt, please try this question. 1, 1, 3.
Sir, after multiplying for getting answer, we have to add 1 also.
Where 1? It's not 1, ma'am. Here was it 1? 6 and 6, 36 we added. Here we added 16. It is, we have to add this square of any one. Now solve this first. Yes, Akash, try. What will you add or subtract? Yes, Akash.
Minus 13 plus 13.
Very good. Now don't. Yes, Jyotsna, what about you?
No, sir. Everything is going on above my head.
ये कह के किसको मैं हम वो करना है, आपको सुनना तो पड़ेगा ना, इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कैमराज ऑन करो, क्योंकि कैमरा ऑन होगा तो आपका टेंशन सिर्फ पढ़ाई में होगा, कैमरा ऑफ होगा तो किचन चल रहा है, बच्चे चल रहे हैं, फिर हमें समझ नहीं आया. So what can I do then? See, I am taking 100 questions. If you are not getting then also, then God is there. What exactly problem you are facing? You tell me that.
Sir, I am feeling that a squared to ab and b square is a very easy method. So
फिर बताइए 999 को करिए, वो तो हुआ ही नहीं था हमसे. ओके 54995 को कीजिए उससे. So it's not that, ma'am. Every method has its importance. See, when it is small number, then a square b square चल रहा है. जब 2 डिजिट है, बड़ा डिजिट होते ही आप नहीं कर पाएंगे उससे. इसीलिए सिखा रहा हूँ ना, नहीं तो मैं क्यों सिखाऊं, मैं भी फॉर्मेलिटी करूं या एक सिखाया और खत्म कर दूं. Why I am guiding you good? See, if I am guiding you, that means there is something good in this method. Yes, Sudha, where are you facing the problem now? अब ये इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. देखिए ज्योत्सना,
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 4995. अब ये ले लीजिए A, ये ले लीजिए B, कर सकते हैं आप? बोलिए 49 का
No, sir.
स्क्वायर, इसका मतलब 49 का स्क्वायर पहले निकालेंगे आप साइड पे, 95 का स्क्वायर निकालेंगे, फिर आप 49 इंटू 95 इंटू 2 निकालेंगे। कितनी कैलकुलेशंस हो गई? इसमें 10 मिनट लगा देंगे आप। और यहाँ पर क्या
Yes, sir.
करना है आपने? 4995। आपने देखा इसको जीरो कैसे करें? अगर +5 किया तो ये 5000 बन गया एकदम। इससे इजी कुछ हो सकता है? 3 जीरो आगे, दैट मींस यू जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 5 and subtract 5, so 4990। so 5 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो सबको आती है, अगर नहीं आती तो 2 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखो, 2 की डिवीजन। देयर आर सो मेनी कंसेप्ट्स, कुछ कंसेप्ट्स आप बाद में धीरे धीरे ऐड करते चले जाओगे। सो व्हाट इज 4990 इंटू 5 इंटू 10 करके डिवाइड कर लीजिए अगर आपको वो नहीं आता। यस, दिस इज 24950 और फिर 3 जीरो हैं, ये लीजिए। और यहाँ 5 का स्क्वायर बनेगा 25। so this is your answer immediately, but here you would have spent around 10 minutes. Got my point clear? See, you have
Yes, ma'am.
always
Yes, sir.
पहले ये भूल जाइए, मैथ्स पढ़ने से मैं जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगा वो आपको लगेगा यस वी गॉट इट। until and unless you solve your questions you will not understand, ma'am. So first try to solve. Okay, I'll give you one question more. Let's see. 93 square, please find out. इसी से करना है, यूनिवर्सल मेथड से, so that you get the understanding.
Just 8649 plus 7 and minus 7.
So that is 49. 7 square, you know. See, now this is 93. Here 100 you can make easily by adding 7. So whatever is added you have to subtract, so that is 86. So 8600 and then 49. So 8649. Is it clear or still any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
But yes, you have to do the homework. If you are not doing homework, then it is difficult. So homework is very much important. Practice is very much important. Even if you take those questions which are given in the assignments, that is sufficient. Okay, last question, 212 square. Please find out. 212 square. उमेश सर, are you getting? नर बहादुर सर, समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. 42544.
Yes, Jyotsna, Sudha, Akash, did you get the answer? Umesh, what I feel,
44944, sir.
okay,
Slight mistake.
no mistakes allowed. Yes, Sudha,
The last two digit is 64.
now we don't have to check with the last two digits. Please see. The one method is earlier only, 441, 22 into 2, that is 42, 42 to 84, and 4. So that means 4, 4, 8 goes there, 449. Right? See how easily we can calculate. Second method, what we did just now. Just let me know. Let me do it. Now here A square works because we know the square of 21. We know the square of 12. No, that is wrong, sir. So 212 means adding 12. Oh, sorry, subtracting 12. Adding 12 will give 224. And this will give me 200. So 224 means 448 and 2 zeros. And this is 144. So again, 44944. Now is it clear? See, today when you'll be doing the homework, I'll be giving the questions, but your job is to do by both the methods. Try both, attempting with both. Then your knowledge will, because that will give you practice, right? So any doubts, any questions on scaring now, so that we can move? Yes, any questions now? Jyotsna, Sudha, Indrajit? Okay, Indrajit is in the office, is writing. Anyone else? Umesh? Umesh, you can ask.
No.
Sir, Nur Bahadur, he was not responding. Akash? Pom Pom? Any doubt, any questions you have?
No, sir.
Great. Okay. Let's move further then. So this is where we started finding a square, and then we did three methods. First was finding square of the two-digit number with the easy approach. 23. See, 49 you have written above, and then first unit place you are leaving. So these notes are available. Please download and check it. You'll be getting everything. Okay. Now what I felt today is some of you have not saved my number, so you didn't get that message timely. Then I had to send separately also. So that is something which is your requirement. So you need to save a number. Second was finding square of numbers ending with 5. And this was the approach. Third, universal method, 26, 52, 97, 213, 112. We all did this kind of numbers. Now we'll study cubes. Cubes is the second important topic, but before that, we all are here not to learn only Vedic mathematics. We are here to start our classes. Yes or no? Or we are here just to learn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the second topic is how to, before going to the cubes, let us learn how to launch it. What are the things you have to take care of? Because launching means, now this is not a, yes, I'll be discussing only on the part of online classes. We'll be discussing every point, but major issue will be on for online too. Okay. Now, when you are moving, when you are planning, when you are deciding to move for online classes, there are 5 basic things, 5 P's, which are very important. The first thing is you should have a thorough out course idea and plan. Now, what does this mean? A thorough course idea is you should be clear enough that what is you're going to target, what you'll be going to teach, what is your syllabus, what is your content. So see, it does not matter whether you have complete content, no, but the context should be very much clear. For example, if you're launching a classes of Vedic mathematics, the second day when you launch, parents will start approaching you. What will you guide? The first question arises, what is the syllabus? What you'll be going to teach? This is very important. So a thorough course idea is very much important. And apart from that, what is your target audience? You might have seen number of ads, but then you click on those ads where you find that I'll get the solution to my problems. Similarly, people think the same way. If you see my ads, it's written very clearly, I help teachers to get this thing. So everybody is clear what they are going to learn. Right? So when you are deciding about the course content, course idea, see, as I told you earlier, also content, course, books you'll be getting from my side. But apart from that, you have to further decide how you will be managing all those things. For example, if you plan to start with the classes, but classes for whom? What is your target audience? Is it small kids? Is it bigger ones? Or for competitive examinations? Or for the teachers? For example, now see, let's assume what the minimum age we think is, it should be 8 years. Ideally, to teach Vedic mathematics, one should know basic addition and tables up till 8. And let's say we take it a age of 8 years, class 3rd. So whatever you'll be teaching to class 3rd, do you think the same you'll be teaching to class 6th?
No.
Maybe the topic could be same. The topics could be same, but you cannot club a child of a 3rd class with a child of 6th class or a 9th class. Why? Because the level of intelligence would be different. The way of your approach will be different. Maybe with class 3rd, you'll be taking only 10 examples in a day. And with the class 6, you'll take 15, 20. So the pace, the speed would also be different. So if you see, we have divided the books. First thing, the books you have been seeing for a while, that are trainer courses, or for children who are above 10th class, 10th, 11th, 12th, that is a complete Vedic mathematics, including your this algebra and your arithmetic part. Trigonometry is not there, geometry is not there. But when we talk about class 3rd, will that book solve the purpose? No, they have separate. Why? Because we need to teach them as per their age, as per their requirement. So what is their requirement? First is a fearful factor we have to remove. So first topic would be tables. Then we'll go for addition. Then we'll go for multiplication. Then we'll go for subtraction. So we'll go to multiplication first and then come back to subtraction. And the reasons are there behind it. Then we'll go for division, and division with all, not with all numbers initially with 2, because division by 2 is simplest, but we'll not go by this your tree method. Then division by 4, 8, 7. Do you know dividing a number by 7 gives you same answer every time? How many of you know this thing? Or division by 9. If you'll question, then I'll give you more tips. But if you'll be blank, these things would be omitted, right? So what? So the syllabus for class 3rd, 4th, 5th would be entirely different depending on their intelligence level, their speed, their pace. And for 6th, 7th, 8th, it would be different. And similarly, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, because they are now the students who are appearing for the competitive examinations. So for them, it is entirely different. And then comes your people who are going for competitive exams only for the job purpose. They need not to understand, they need not to remember the sutras. Yesterday I told you E Kadikena Sutra during writing the table of 9. Today I did not say. Why? Because I can understand at this stage you need not to remember the names of the sutras. Similarly, a student who is appearing for entrance examination, he is least bothered about the sutras. So for them, we have to make it very easy. This is one concept. This is one trick to do this. This is one trick to do this. And that is how competitive academies are earning in lakhs and crores just by giving small hints. But you have to become a master of all these. So teacher training. But yes, when you are launching it, it cannot be launching everything or the ad mentioning learn Vedic mathematics. Do you think people will approach you? No, because nobody has got time today. If your ad is mentioning class 3rd, so you'll receive maximum parents of class 3rd only. If you're writing class 3rd to 5th, so these category will come. Others will, maybe they'll come, that would be a bonus for you. But remember, at least those who are in class 3rd, those who have their kids from 3rd and 5th, they'll definitely approach you because they know you are targeting them. And targeting ad is very important, right? This is first thing. So content is not important, but yes, you should have a brief idea of what I'll be teaching, what contents I'll be having in, right? So this parents would be asking you. So this is the first and the foremost thing before launch of a program. Second thing, you need an email list now. Now, because when we are talking about online classes, online coaching, then definitely we need an email list or a contact list. How do we get? Everybody of us have a Facebook. So we have number of friends attached. We'll send them and we'll get the admissions. Keep my words, you'll not get even a single admissions from your friends. Not even a single admission from your friends. Please mind it, remember it. If you don't agree to this, check today itself, post an ad of Vedic mathematics on your Facebook profile. Nobody will ask you anything. Not even your friends will like that post. And then try to post something personal about you, about your family, about your pics of your celebration, about your holiday, anything. You'll see you'll receive 100+ likes. Does it happen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why does it happen?
Yes.
Why does it happen? Because nobody is bothered about your business. See, Facebook is about relations, about friends, and about this. So that is the reason I asked you yesterday to get a Facebook page. See, when you now, why do we open an office? Why don't we start everything from our home itself? Because people cannot walk into our home. They need a place to come, to sit, to discuss. That is known as office. And similarly, when we are talking about online business, then they need a place where they could get every minute detail about us. And that is not a profile, because profile mentions only friends. It does not mention where is our address. It does not mention who has reviewed us. It does not mention what are the job opportunities at our place. It does not mention what are the appointments in our place. So nothing can. So that is why there is a difference between profile, page, and group. If I just take 1 second, I'll write down. If you see, if you have checked mine, and you see the name is common, Dr. Yogesh Sharma, but the difference is, see now, if you have not observed, now you can observe. and you can take a screenshot of this, facebook.com/Dr. Yogesh Chandna. Now this is my page. Same name, only difference would be, now in this you'll see we have a location also, we have reviews, people have reviewed, and when I shared you, please review the workshop, that link was given this. But when somebody approached me for friend request, that was different. That was Dr. Yogesh Chandna 1. See, by just looking here, you cannot define what is page, what is profile, but that would be clear when you go through it. So people will not come for business on your profiles. They'll go for pages where they can see the reviews of other people. Do you not do the same thing? If you have to purchase something from online, do you not check the reviews, or do you not check what all they are offering? Similarly, when you are booking a hotel, anything. So same, people will not go for profile. No, they'll go for this. Third is your group. Group is, it could be a public, it could be a private. The group which I have, that is one is private. Why? I'm offering it only to my students who are my admissions, so that they can learn, they can download the notes. It's not publicly available. So here it is groups. And then Dr. Yogesh. Name is all have same. And it might, you might have seen even at your profile, you might not have a clear name because you have not created it. It might have 001 or some number written on that. So there is a, go to the settings and make a unique URL. This is known as unique URL, because this is what you can share with others. You cannot share 9812334, any number like that, right? So this is a difference. Page, profile, group. In groups, it is written groups. And profile and page can be only differentiated when you see both, right? You can take a screenshot if you want. Yes, Mr. Madan, you are too late. What happened? In office? Okay. So back to the screen. Is
So
it
busy.
okay? Now, so the third, so that email list I told you required. So people who are living in some apartments, some colonies, there they find it very easily. They can get the children from nearby only, and they can start with their online and offline there itself, right? But if you have to go for online, please, it is not difficult to create a page. It hardly takes 2 minutes. And everybody can afford 2 minutes. And I'm again and again, see, I'm using this Facebook media from years. The time when sponsored ad was just 40 rupees a day. Can you believe 40 rupees a day, and you can advertise it throughout the world? At that time, one inquiry used to cost you 10 paisa or 15 paisa. And I was a person, I'll share you my story. My ad budget was very huge. I live in a very small city, but yes, I was running an ITI, I was running so many institutions. So ad budget was 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs minimum. I'm talking about 15, 20 years back, 1997, 98, 90, 2000. I'm talking about those years. And when Facebook came, and when you have to spend only 40 rupees a day, that means 365 into 40, not even 1200. So 12, so it was like so cheap, 1200 a month. And then slowly and slowly after COVID, it increased to 72, it doubled. Now pricing is minimum, yes, 77, but the response has gone down. earlier what inquiry used to charge, cost you 1 rupee or sorry, 10 paisa, 20 paisa. Now it is costing you 50 rupees also. So sometimes you get 50. And you know, when you all will start, when people will start, at that time nobody was using. But when it started payment based, people started using this. And when all will you start use it, get, you know, when this would be costing more than 500 to 1000 rupees a day, because then people will realize, yes, it has an importance. See, everybody of you approached me. How? Just think over it. Through Facebook. People from Nepal, people from UAE. How they approach? From. So can you think, just a small ad, a small promotion in your Facebook, it can give you so many things. And even if you're not going paid and you have organic reach, then also you can get it. So you need to learn that also. Right? Now, the third important thing is sales page. Now, sales is not where you'll be selling. It is the place where you'll be the platform to launch. So this was the second reason. This was the reason I said make a Facebook page, because you can run your classes free of cost in Facebook, Instagram, and so many other medias. Right? We'll discuss in depth in the coming slides. Fourth is the way to take payments. This is very important nowadays. Please believe me. Now you might be seeing that we have Indian also, we have from Nepal also. And for India, I have given you Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Very easy. You find it very easy. Just it takes hardly 3 seconds to transfer money. But few people in India also, they don't have all these apps. Then you have to share account number to them, and then they can choose. But for a country like Nepal, there was a big issue, how to get the transfers. So then they have at their place e-Seva. So, you know, when you are launching things, today one of my teacher, one of my students, she asked me, sir, I need payment from this UAE. How can I get it? So that is what you have to think on this also. Because when you'll be starting working online, you'll be getting clients from all around the globe. Right, so things have to be worked on this also. Again, coming with in depth, we'll be studying this. Terms and conditions. Now, terms and conditions are always your own. Some are offering the same course at XYZ price. Others are offering at some different thing. Some are offering something, a big bundle. Yes, I'm giving you this along with that. This. Some are offering it free. I don't mind. So everybody has their own terms and conditions. But if you have faith in me, if you believe in me, just remember, never offer your services free of cost. People will never appreciate your time or your wealth if you don't appreciate your time. Whatever you are charging, charge a nominal, but always do charge. One thing is, you'll cut out some rush, some people who are just there to window shop. You know what is window shopping? So every female might be knowing. So here you are, see, there they have done that. They have built already those big showrooms, but here you are making efforts. You're talking to them. So if at the end of the day, you have 100 people for window shopping, or just they came because you are not charging anything, end of the day you'll be very much disturbed to what happened. Nobody is there to enroll. So you have to have your own terms and conditions, right? Any questions, any doubts you have in this? So these are the 5 important factors you need to remember, you need to understand before launching. The point remains the same: content and delivery. So content I'll be providing you. You have gone through some notes, maybe few of you might have not downloaded. Okay, I shared one, I gave one free book on sutras also. So how many of you downloaded that? Yes,
I
Sudha?
have downloaded it.
So did you get something out of it? It was around 40, 50 pages, 30. Did you
Yes,
understand something?
I have downloaded 2 books. The one is of online coaching business, and the Vedic Mathematics Sutras.pdf.
So did you understand something from that?
I have read it all, online coaching business, how to start, and I have read the index page of Vedic Mathematics PDF, that is Ika Dhikena Purena and
Ikadikena Purvena. That is the first sutra
yes,
we discussed yesterday also.
Nikhilam
Then Nikhilam Sutra. Nikhilam
Charanam
Namate
Dasata.
Karmam Dashata. See, Nikhilam Namate
Yes.
Karmam Dashata. That means all from 9 and last from 10. I discussed yesterday. Okay. So
Yes.
this is important now, delivery and content, and you all have to work on that. Now, you might have seen, how do we get attracted? It is due to the, if you post something, just write few words. Vedic maths classes available, write in the text. Will somebody pay attention to that? And if you have graphics on that, then what is the difference? What will get more attention? A simple written, or when you have something in a graphics mode or a video mode?
Graphic and a little bit animation and eye-catching presentations.
Yes, that is what. So how to create these eye-catching content? See, when you are working online, when you are doing something, posting online, you need to have the eye-catching content. What is that meaning? That means media, graphic, images, videos, these should be there. It cannot be a plain text. Nobody goes for that today. See, it was a time when internet was launched in India, we had 2 different modes. I don't think anybody of you might be knowing that. One was known as text mode and another was graphic mode. So there were 2 kind of connections at that time. I'm talking about 2002. So I was the first person in North India, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal to have internet connection. So one of my companies was web services, which was dealing in website designing and development. So now when time has changed, we are totally into graphics and everything. That is what is important. Correct. So where to get these designs from? Now, this is a very $1 million question. Everybody knows, yes, this can be designed. But everybody thinks, how will I get it designed? Yes, Sudha? ये दिमाग में आता है कैसे डिजाइन होगा ज्योत्सना?
Yes, sir.
So कोई टफ नहीं है, कोई इसमें बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है. It is very simple. See, earlier we used to get these designs in Corel, Photoshop, and for that we had designers. We used to pay them to design the things. But now we have some softwares, we have some apps like Canva. How many of you have used Canva?
I
Only
have
one?
used it.
So how difficult it is?
Very easy.
Very easy. Correct. So these are handy tools, and 1 month it is freely available also. So just try, Sudha, Jyotsna, you try on this. Start making something
Okay,
out of
sir.
it. And there are templates available, so you just have to change. And you know, without images, without graphics, your page will not get any attention. That is what is required. Now, this was how you can do it on these things. But what about if it is regarding videos? So for videos, you need to have InShot is one software. Teleprompter. Now, what is teleprompter? You know, long back, the news channel persons, they used to have something written in front of them and they could read it. Now, if somebody has to give a lecture, a class, it's very difficult initial days. You cannot remember everything. So what do? You write down everything and you put in the software and hold that software in your hand. If you have to do recording or you have to take the class, you can hold like this. The text is floating in front of you and you are able to make a video also. That is known as teleprompter. Means that will prompt you, that will give you, it's like you are holding a mobile this way and nobody will be able to judge that you are speaking on your own or you are watching the mobile and got the things. So this is known as read and record the script. Any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Any questions you have?
No.
So please download this software. This is very important. You'll get a lot from this. Very simple, freely available apps. Now, again, you can have a screenshot of this. This gives you the list of sites where you can get free videos, images, music, fonts, colors, and so many other things. Okay. So this is where you'll be getting. Any questions now on this? Any questions? Josna, Sudha?
No.
Okay. Now regarding the sales page, I told you a platform. To the third point was a platform. The second point was a platform where to launch it. Now, what was the meaning? See, very first thing first, decision is you want to go for live sessions, you want to go for recorded sessions, or a hybrid kind of thing, or now again, second thing will come one-on-one or group classes. Yes, what do you think? Which is better? Sudha.
Recorded.
Session, sir.
Recorded is better, live sessions are better, or recorded one? Josna?
All have their own uniqueness.
They have, yes, but when we are talking, let's see, what we are going to deal is mathematics. So maths
life
needs
will be
practice.
better.
So maths needs practice, where we can cross check our questions, where we can cross examine. Now that so there we have this problem. Got it? So that recorded. Now, if all of you, how many of you checked the video yesterday? Nobody.
No, sir,
I gone through the video.
And
but
now,
at least 15-20 minutes.
That's what. See, the video was 3 hours. So it's very difficult for anyone to be attentive for 2 hours, 3 hours. Otherwise, everything is available free of cost on YouTube also. But can we learn on that? No. Very first thing, only those questions are solved which are easy. Everybody tries to escape from the tough questions. Even today, if you become a teacher, you will also do this. You'll try to solve the easiest approach. Second thing, we cannot sit for so long, but when it is a live one, we are able to. We learn more in that. Right? So that is basic, and because this our subject is mathematics, we have to deal with the kids also, everyone. So more, but yes, there are after this, once you have done some concepts, then definitely when you start finding interest, then you can learn from some recorded sessions also. But it would be always better for a live one, in our case, in Vedic mathematics or in mathematics, right? Now talking on one-on-one or group classes, This depends on the financials. I have students who are taking one-on-one classes from me, and I have group classes also. But the difference is always in the cost. Now, when it was before COVID, I used to take only one-on-one classes, no group classes. But after COVID, we realized no, there are more people who want to learn. So let us reduce the fees so that we can club some people and take a group sessions, right? So this is
Yes, sir.
now. Similarly, second important thing, now you have to decide whether you are going for a open webinar, workshops, meetings, classes, or you want a restricted one. Open means anybody can walk in and talk to you. Like if you have seen, whenever you are holding Facebook, when you are opening Facebook, sometimes it comes, somebody is live. Same on the Instagram, somebody is like a notification you receive, and you can connect to that, and you are also, you can talk to that person. So that is how Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, these things work. So these can be, so these kind of things are known as open workshops, webinars, meetings, classes, where you can directly contact without any restriction, without any payments, and then you can do it. Applications like Udemy, so many people have recorded their sessions, they have put on Udemy. Now they are free also available, they are paid also available. Choice, it depends on you which you choose. YouTube, number of YouTubers, number of teachers, trainers, they have put their videos on YouTube, which are always available free of cost, right? LinkedIn is one such platform, but it is restricted. It does not offer to everyone. There are certain restrictions, right? So this is what you can have when you are launching your classes. This is the way how you can approach an open sessions, right? And if you want to go for the paid, like you are going right now, so you can have it on Zoom, a Google Meet. Now these two are, you all know about it. Then we have LMS, learning management systems, Thinkific, Zenler, Teachable. Though they are costly, they cost you around $200+. Now, what does that mean? What is LMS? How many of you have used Thinkific, Teachable, or Zenler? Yes. Have you gone through it, or have you
Webinar,
have you
webinar jam.
webinar jam? Right. So what happens in this LMS? You get, yes, the same entry is through. See, teaching mode would be either Google or Meet or Zoom only, but they have their own way. There you'll be getting a login where your videos, whatever you have been taught, that would be stored so that you can watch it later on. So everybody gets a password, a username, which they can use later on. So it's a kind of your storage also, right? So, and the same thing now, if you have to work on the cost effective. So yesterday you saw, I shared a video with you. Now that particular video was public. If I make it private, so it would be available only to the people whom I shared. It will not be visible to everyone. Like you might have gone to that YouTube channel. You will not find even a single class of mine. Every day I take 3 to 4 classes, but none of the class is available. Only workshops are available. Only either it is children or teachers. Why? Because they are only publicly hosted. Others are all private. So when you will be taking the classes, you have to maintain this for the cost effectiveness, right? Any questions you have now? Yes, Akash.
No, sir.
Okay. Last not least, the payment, the most important factor for which we all are working. So we have, everybody knows GPay, PhonePe, Paytm. These are the apps which are, but sometimes what happens, people ask, yeah, I don't have, I want to pay through my credit card. So that time you need to have a payment gateway. InstaMojo, Razorpay. These are the two payment gateways. Don't worry. It takes 2 to 5 minutes to get registered and then 24 hours to activate. So what, and again, going back to 6 years, 10 years back, it used to take 1 month. You used to go to your bank, write a letter, then send it to them, then they'll approve, then it used to happen. So what was one month procedure, now it has been reduced to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 48 hours to activate, or 24 hours. So these are the things which for this, you need not to have any page, anything. You'll have a login in their account from where you can generate a link, a payment link. If you share that link to anyone, they can pay through that link, and that money will go to your accounts, right? Yes, they definitely charge 3% of the transaction. Similarly, if you have to receive payments from abroad, from all this Eastern countries, so then PayPal is one media. PayPal, again, registering with PayPal is very easy. PayPal.com is a site where you will link with your debit card or credit card, and you can make an account. Again, whatever payments you'll be receiving, they'll deduct 3% of it. Until some few months, weeks back, I was also teaching this PayPal only. But yes, now when you experience in Nepal, you don't find that also. So for that, you have something called e-Seva, right? So these things you need to learn, because when you will be starting marketing, when you will be starting advertising, or when you'll be launching your classes, people can come from anywhere, right? So this is, any questions, any doubts you have? Any doubts, please, because we'll be starting with now cubes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll be starting to our third topic, that is cubes. What is a cube? Yes. Sudha, Jyotsna, what is cube? So cube is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. If n is a number, n is multiplied 3 times. So for 1 cube, it is only 1. For 2, it becomes 8. 2 into 2, 4 into 2. Is it clear? Any doubts, any
Yes, sir.
questions? Okay. So similarly, what is cube of 3?
27.
4. 5. 6. Okay. So you can write down this. You can take a screenshot or write down this. It's better you write down so that you remember. So 6 is 216, 7 is 343, 8 is 512, 9 is 729, and 10 is 1000. Any doubt? Once you have written it, please let me know. Written? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's move further. So now to make this So first topic is finding cubes of numbers ending with, okay, first finding cubes of now of 2-digit numbers. Let's say write this. So 2-digit numbers means 10 to 99. 10 we have already done, so 11 to 99 we'll be studying now. Correct? Now, to make it interesting, to make it more magical, let us divide all these numbers into 4 types. First, numbers starting with 1. So what are the numbers starting with 1? 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Until
16,
19.
19.
Second, numbers ending with 1. So that is 11, 21, 31, 91. Correct? And further, if we want, we can go further also. Third, numbers having both digits common. For example, 11, 22, 33, 99. Any doubt?
Oh.
Last, all leftover numbers. For example, 23, 24, 25, and 98. Any questions first? Okay, so let's start. You can, if yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, let's come to the first topic, that is numbers starting with 1. And the first number, let's take it 12. Now, we have 4 steps. First step, second, third, and fourth. First step, make 4 spaces available. Is it easy, comfortable? Yes, any doubt on this? Make 4 spaces available. Is it easy?
Yes.
What happened? Sudha, you're saying something?
No, no, sir.
I heard someone saying. Okay. Okay. At second level, at first place, write the same A. Second place, write the number 2. Any difficulty? Now, third, find the square of this number and write down here. Square of 2 is 4. And find the cube and write here. This is square, this is cube. Any doubt up till here? Yes,
No,
anyone has any? Yes, Akash?
no doubt.
Now the last step. Repeat the third. I'll repeat third and then I'll start. I'm writing three. Now, if you remember, when we're doing squares, we left the first digit. Here, we'll leave all the outer one and just middle one, you double them. Double means multiply with 2. So what is 2 into 2? 4, or double 8. Any doubt up till here? This is doubling the middle terms. So add, if you do, what is this? 8. This is 12. 2, 7, 1. So 1728 is your answer. Did you understand? Yes, Jyotsna, Sudha, Akash, Kanchan, Indrajit.
Understand.
Now, let me take one more example. Okay, my question. Why did I took 4 places? Why not 5? Why not 3? Why not 6? Yes, Jyotsna. Akash. See, if you will not ask such questions, your students will ask you. So you have to be ready with that.
Double of 2 digit is 4. Might be something like that. Means 1, 2 is 2 numbers. So that's why we have taken 4.
What is? After this, we'll be going for 3-digit numbers also. There also we'll have 4 only. We're not going to increase. Yes, anyone? Okay, you keep on thinking. We'll discuss. I'll tell you the answer later. Let's take 14 cube. So again, I'll not have 4 steps now. 1, 4. So what is square of 4? Yes, Jyotsna, what is square of 4?
16.
16.
Cube of 4.
64.
So leave the outer terms, double these. 8, 32. Just add it. 1, 12, 48, 64. So that means 4. 48 plus 6 is 54. So 4. 5 goes there. 7. 1 goes there. And what we used to do earlier? 14 into 14. That was 6. 1 here, 56. Then 0, 4, 1, 196. After this, again 196 into 14. So 24, 4. See, so many calculations you are doing here. It is very understandable. First digit, second digit, square of the second, cube of the second, and double it. Got it? Any doubt you have now? Yes, Akash, any doubt?
No, sir.
If no doubt, please do for 13 cube. Jyotsna, समझ नहीं आ रहा? सुधा,
आ रहा है सर.
चलिए 13 क्यूब निकालिए. पहले आएगा 1, फिर 3, फिर 9, फिर 27. डू इट. इतना हिंट दे दिया, आप देखो बाकी कर लीजिए।
Sir, 2197.
Yes, 2197.
So any doubt now? Is it difficult? Okay, one more
No.
try. 17. Yes. What happened? So what is cube of 7? 1, 7, 49.
49.
What is the cube of 7?
343.
343. So क्या रह गया फिर टेंशन किस बात की? 96. ना,
14
sorry,
plus 98. 98.
14.
14.
So 1, 21,
21. 147.
147, 343.
343.
तो ये तो आ गया 3, 34 यहाँ ले जाइए। So 1, 18 को यहाँ करिए 9, 3 इधर गया तो 4. Is it clear? See now the use of balancing line. Yesterday I told you ना, सब कुछ balancing line से चलता है. अगर ये balancing line ना हो तो हम कितने confuse हो जाए. Done? Any doubt now? So first topic is clear or not? First case when the number is starting with 1.
Yes.
Let's start with second when the number is ending with 1. And let's take first number as 21. पहला वही फॉर्मेलिटी है, बट अब डिफरेंस क्या है? पहले आपने इधर से शुरू किया था, अब इधर से शुरू करेंगे. 1 यहाँ आएगा, 2 यहाँ आएगा. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. गॉट इट? एंड नाउ सेम थिंग. स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 4, क्यूब ऑफ 2 8, then add it 8 4. So what do you get? 9 2 6 1. Or if you try doing normal method, 21 into 21, 1 2 0 2 4. So that 441, again 21. So which is easy, you have to decide now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If no doubt, please solve 31 cube. Good, Indrajit, if you're doing it with this method and you're able to solve this much speedily, so that's it's great. I hope you're not using calculator. Very good then. Very good. What do you do? You are in office. What do you do? Not now. Otherwise, what is you are into which profession? Okay. Actually, Sanis are in India. My wife, she is Sahani. So I was just, that was a real. Great. Sahni, yes. Okay, that might be Shahani then. Oh yes, they are Sahani, Sahni, yes. Chala, we'll talk later. Let's complete. Okay. Yes, 31. What is the answer? Sudha, Jyotsna, Akash, Payal, Kanchan.
29791.
Okay, great. So any doubt now? एक और try करना है? 51 कर लीजिए ये भी. घर में होमवर्क नहीं होता अभी तो कर ही सकते हैं.
हाँ जी.
Please.
One 132,651.
So everybody got it? One, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. Perfect. Right. So now we have two more methods left, but before that, let me tell you what after this. What after the workshop? If you are planning to become a trainer, there is a complete course. So what does we cover? What all topics we'll be covering? I'll just share it with you. I'll just take 2 minutes and how the classes are done. So now you might have seen the ad, become a trainer in 6 weeks. So how it is 6 weeks? Basically, see, course is not depending on weeks. It is approximately 60 to 65 hours. Now, depending on the classes which you are taking, see, we have weekend batches, we have weekdays batches. Weekend means only Saturdays and Sundays. Now, if you have time 6 to 8, like we'll be starting right now. After this, I have a batch 6 to 8 in the evening, and then I have a batch 9 to 11 p.m. So that means 2 hours on Saturday, 2 hours on Sunday. So that is 4 hours in a week. So if you compare with 16, this week batch will take minimum 15 weeks to complete. If you're talking about weekdays, it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you're again going for 9 to 11 p.m., then it will take 6 hours in a week. So that means 10 weeks to complete. And one more batch is there, the fast one, that is 5 to 8 in the evening. This 5 to 8 in the evening will take just 6 weeks to complete your course. 6 to 6.7 weeks to complete. Right. Now, this is the first thing I wanted to make it very clear, because this doubt people have, how we can complete in 6 weeks or 6 days. So this is how we have the batches. Right after this workshop, we have one batch 6 to 8 in the evening. Then we have 9 to 11, right? This is how we do. Then what do we teach? See, we have 6 steps, not levels. I call it as steps. First is introduction to Vedic mathematics. Terminology use. The terminology means we'll be learning some sutras, but not very first. Initially, we will not learn sutras. We'll learn with their English names. Finding the complement, finding the digital root. Now, digital root is one with which you can check your answers. Very beneficial for you, for students. If you want to learn this, there is a video of kids workshop. This is very important, because this will increase confidence in the students. If they are able to verify their answers, see, this is the power of Vedic maths. You are able to check your answers within 3 seconds. Right, we did last time, yesterday we did 8th topic, multiplication tables, 9th topic of 2-digit numbers. Now this has one method. If you have seen, there is a word written vinculum. So when we are teaching to the class 3rd, we will not have this step, right? So the books are, and the syllabus is different for class 3rd and 4th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, 7th is different. Second topic, second step, it deals with only multiplication. Now you'll say, complete book 80 pages on multiplication. Yes, because that is too much important. You need practice of at least 1,000 questions. And after that, any question comes to you, you'll just speak in words. What is 999999 into 999? You will have the answer to that, right? So this method is known as base method, or it uses Nikhilam Sutra. That is Nikhilam Navataya Karmama Dashtaya. That means all from 9 and the last one 10. A very easy technique for multiplication. Your multiplication will be on tips. Matlab, you need not to use paper for multiplication. This is that fast speed. Third book is again multiplication, but a different method. So we have 2 different methods, 2 general techniques to learn multiplication. First was Nikhilam Sutra, entire second book is on that. Third, Urdu Sutra, that is any number comes to you, you can solve. And after that, there are some special cases. Like yesterday, we learned one special case. That is only one case, multiplication of 11. We have the same way 9, 99, 999 or 999. So if you have to multiply, suppose for example, 999 into 888, so the answer will be 8, 8, 7, and then 1, 1, 2. So this is how you can speedily give the answers. And for that, you need to understand. Right. So in Vedic maths, everything is mental. Then we have algebra. Students have a fear of that. 8th class students, you talk to them, because even if you have to multiply x square plus 2x plus 3x into 3 into x square plus 4x plus 7, now you will have 9 different elements in this. But in Vedic maths, you'll have the answer in one single line. So that is the magic. So one who have done algebra in Vedic maths, they know the importance. It is much, much faster than arithmetic also. Fourth step, it deals with your scaring. Today we did 3 methods for finding scare, but that are not all. Same, we have method to check if a number is ending with 4, if a number is ending with 25, if a number is ending with 6, if a number is ending with 9, or if a number is starting with 5, or if a number is, so these many methods, then algebraic scaring. So today we did 7th topic, we did 6th topic, and we did the 11th topic from this. Then cubes, we are doing 1st topic, right? So this book deals with, then starting of this is doubling. Now doubling means multiplication with 2. All those who say multiplication with 2 is a simple thing, please understand, multiplication with 2 using your left brain and right brain, it is the best exercise of the brain. One brain would be thinking what will come next, another will be calculating, and your speed will be like the rocket speed. You can multiply very fast in that case. Not only 2, doubling does not mean only 2. With 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, anything. Right. So this is 4th. 5th would be dealing with the division part. This is the old link. I have shared already the link of my website, that is dryogesh.in/books. The website has every content. You can go through it detail. Now, HCF is the biggest problem for any child. 7, I was discussing, division by 7 will give always the same number. Same series of numbers, sorry, 6 digits are always the same. You just have to maintain that ratio, right? So this is there. Then step 6 will be dealing with square roots, cube roots, divisibility. Now, all those who are mathematics teacher over here, they know that we don't have any rule for divisibility by 7, 13, 23, 29 in normal maths, but here they can be solved very easily, right? So this is all what we'll be dealing. It is the complete content to become a trainer in Vedic mathematics, to train teachers. So it takes around 6 to 10 weeks to complete. We are starting with the next batch on coming Monday, not tomorrow, next Monday, night 9 to 11 p.m. So if anybody is interested, he can go for it. Now this, if you talk about the fees, it was before this, we were charging 18,000. Now it is 12,999. What you'll be getting for this? What you'll be getting in 13,000? One set of books. The books costing itself is 1,320. All the designs are free for you. Designs are free. Why? Because when you launch your classes, you need designs. You need an ad same. So all my design, whatever my ads are, you can use this. Remove my picture and you can put your own. All support letters to the schools, colleges, institutions that are free. 1 year invaluable support. So people, or suppose we have leads from your area, we generally give it out, right? So this is what I charge. Now coming back to the 2 topics we are left with, let me complete. So whoever would be interested, they can connect to me personally. Now, third was both the digits same. So 22, 33, 44. This is the most easiest one. The most easiest is this one. Any guesses? Yes, Akash. Indrajit, any guess? Okay, I'll tell you. If it is 22, take cube of any one number. So 2 cube is 8. Write at all the places. So it becomes 16, 16. So that is 8, 24, 24, 8, 8, 4, 6, 10. This is your answer. If it is 33, then 27, 27, 27, 27. So 54, 54, and solve it. So 27, 81, 81, 27. Is it clear? Or all slept? Yes, Akash.
Clear.
ऐसे लगता है कभी कभी कि मैं अकेला बोली जा रहा हूँ, सब सो गए. ऐसा बोरिंग लेक्चर तो नहीं था.
Sir, why we are
Make
taken 4 times 8? Means it's a square and after then we.
मैं यही तो समझा रहा था, तभी तो आप सुने ही नहीं. इसका मतलब फिर अब आए. Now the numbers are common. So we have just found that directly we have written cube of the same digit at all places.
Okay.
What is cube of 2? What is cube of 2? Jyotsna?
16, sir. Sorry.
Cube of 2 is 16.
No, sir. 8, sir. 8.
Okay, एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. 44. What is cube of 4?
64.
So we'll write 64 at all the positions. Right. Third step is this. Last step is always the same. Middle terms.
Double.
Then you'll get the answer. 55 hoga. So what is cube of 5?
125.
So 125, 125. So this is the most easiest. Nothing to do. इससे easy तो हम वैसे भी नहीं कर सकते थे. Now got it? Any doubt now? So this was the third case. Any questions you have, please ask me now. Otherwise, we're moving to the last now. Yes, any question you have or not? Jyotsna, Sudha?
No, sir.
No,
बोलते
sir.
रहिए.
No, sir.
तुमसे भी घर जाना है. Okay, so now coming to the last part, that is when the numbers are different. For example, 23. Now you have to remember the formula. आपको याद है what is a plus b cube? हम मैथ्स में करते थे.
Yes.
किसको याद है? किसी को याद नहीं?
A
A plus
square
2b
plus 2
square का है.
A square b plus ऐसा कुछ था.
ऐसा कुछ से काम नहीं
A
चलता.
plus
a cube
A
plus b
plus
cube
2ab
a square b
3.
plus 3a and b square. Correct? But याद होगा a plus b whole square में भी हम कुछ और. But here what we'll do is first position a cube, second position 3 की जगह. Why will not write 3? I'll tell you. A square b. This is first, this is second, third पे a b square, third पे b cube. See, format has to be maintained this way. अब याद आया, हम यहाँ पे डबल करते थे. तो what is doubling? a 2a square b हो गया ये. अगर इसको 2 times करेंगे तो it will be written as 2a b square only ना. So that is same. So now take example 23. A is 2, B is 3. So what is A cube? Yes, what is a cube?
8.
8. 8.
Very good. What is a square b?
12.
12. What is a b square?
18.
What is b cube?
27.
वेरी गुड. ज्योति सुधा, आपको समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
12
below-
और 18 एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए. 8 और 27 तो समझ में आ गया.
ए स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? ए स्क्वायर का क्या मतलब होता है? ए अगर 2 है तो ए स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? 2 into 2.
4.
और बी के साथ 3 करोगे तो 12 कैसे आ गया? 2 into 2 into 3.
ओके.
Got it?
यस.
इसका डबल कर दिया 24, इसका डबल कर दिया 36. Now you got the answer. ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. दिस इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल. दिस इज, अगर कोई भी स्क्वायर आपसे पूछते हैं तो आप कहेंगे कि फिर इतने पहले 3 मेथड्स क्यों किए जब यही करना था? बिकॉज वो इजी है, बहुत इजी है. हाँ, कोई नंबर ऐसा आ गया जो उनसे नहीं चलता, देन यू कैन अप्लाई दिस. आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. देखिए, अभी हमने 22 किया था, हमने 888 अपने आप लिख दिया था. अभी देखिए, ए क्यूब कितना होगा? 8. ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी तब भी 8. बी स्क्वायर इंटू ए तब भी 8. बी क्यूब तब भी 8. सो why should we, where is the need of formula if we know that if the sames are there, we have to write the directly the cube. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं फिर. चलो, अच्छा, इससे वही जो पहले 2 पार्ट थे, 12 भी हो जाएगा. 12 में क्या आएगा? 1. 2 का, अब a अगर 1 है, b अगर 2 है, so what is a square b? 2. what is b square a? 4. what is b cube? पूरा देखो.
8.
8. तो यही तो हमने पहले लिखा था. बट पहले हमने कैसे लिखा था? 1 2 लिखने के बाद उसका स्क्वायर, उसका क्यूब, और फॉर्मूला से भी वैसे ही आया. 21 का हमने कैसे लिखा था? हमने यहां से शुरू किया था 1 2. बट अब देखिए, अब उल्टे से जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 a क्यूब, तो a 2 है 8, a स्क्वायर 4, b तो 1 ही है. यहाँ 2, यहाँ 1, सेम आ गया आपका. गॉट इट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Now any questions? Any questions, any doubts, anything you want to ask?
से ये Zoom पर ही होगा लाइव?
आवाज नहीं हो, क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
जो
क्लास
आपने हाँ, जो फर्दर अभी जो बैच स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं वो Zoom पे ही होते हैं?
क्लासेस Zoom पे होता है. ऐसे ही वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग आपको 1 घंटे 2 घंटे बाद मिलती है. क्लासेस Zoom के अलावा कोई मेथड ही नहीं है मैम. Zoom इज मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल. और
ओके.
जैसे इसमें 15 इज द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ, वहां पे 6 से 8 मैक्सिमम. आई डोंट टेक मोर देन दैट. ठीक है.
ओके. ओके.
Any questions, any doubts? And I was waiting for the reviews. Nobody has given the review from this batch.
हाँ जी, इवनिंग में.
Chaliye, thank you. So any questions you can have, now you have my WhatsApp number, you can send it on that. Or yes, Akash, Sudha, Indrajit, Kanchan. So any doubt now, or should we close?
No,
No,
sir,
no,
need practice only.
इसका तो मैम पहली चीज अपने दिमाग से ये बार-बार सी अपने, मैंने कल आपको एक चीज बोली थी, अपने माइंड को करो, आई कैन डू इट, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. उसको रुकावट में डालो कि प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. whom are you telling, yourself or anybody else? Try that, you will find a difference. बार बार अपने माइंड को करो, मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो you will be able to do everything. Yes, आकाश कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Indrajit? Okay. Kanchan? Okay, then Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
We'll meet.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, ji, bye-bye.